Hello wonderful people, you're welcome to this video. The first thing is to learn where to download the VMware Workstation Pro. So head over to google.com, and when you're there, you're gonna search for VMware Workstation. Choose desktop hypervisor solutions. Then you're going to see download Fusion or Workstation. Just click on that. When the next page opens, you need to log in if you haven't logged in. Then here you need to search for the version you want to download. I'm looking for VMware Workstation Pro, so I'm going to search for that. You can see this is Workstation Pro, and this is my search results. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm on a new page. So you can scroll down, and that is it, Workstation Pro 17.52. Click on the first link there. So click on that, on the first link. Kindly note that this version might change by the time you're watching this video. So when the next page opens, you choose the one for Windows, because I'm using Windows, and choose the latest version, which is 17.6.1. And here now, it's time for us to agree to the terms and conditions, and we're going to go ahead to click on download to your right. So what it means here is that it's going to ask for our details. So what you need to do is to register with your details. So here is the compliance verification. Put in your name, whatever has been asked there, and you continue. So now we're back. We're going to click on download. And that is it. Start download, and VMware Workstation Pro is now being downloaded to our PC. So that is all for this video. I hope to see you on the next one.